guys, it's Davida here with WTI. Have you ever had that feeling when you go to the gym that your clothes are just sticking to you or they're sopping wet? It's the worst. It used to happen to me all the time. But honestly, I have found my favorite workout tops. These are the most amazing muscle tanks. They are by the brand Ullnoy, and I'm in love with them. I love that they are loose fitting, which makes them feel very breathable, very cool. They don't stick to you when you're sweating, but they're super comfortable. And I also really like that they are flattering. They have a beautiful shape that shows off your shoulders. I find the length to be perfect. They have like a little slit cut out on each side. And it's really cute, especially if you have like a matching set pant with the sports bra. You have that like peekaboo effect, so you can kind of see your sports bra, which I think is a really cute look. I have thrown these in the washer and the dryer. They did shrink just a tiny bit, but I was super happy with the fit afterwards. I would say they're pretty true to size. I typically wear a size small or extra small, and that's the size that I bought, and they fit really great. They come in a pack of 3 or a pack of 5. They have a variety of colors. Honestly, favorite exercise top of all times. I'm not joking. So if you're looking for a new exercise top, definitely check these out. You will not regret getting them. And that's my point of view.